Yes guys, right now I don't even know what to call this juice, but welcome back to my cooking and vlogging channel. And also guys, remember to like, subscribe and share. Alright, so watch this now guys. I'm gonna use the main ingredient is the banana. Use a banana. I'm gonna use some rum and raisin turkey ice cream. I'm gonna use maybe a cork full of Rainier overproof, a little bit of coronation milk. Yes guys, and this is the bartender's coconut rum cream, a little bit of sweet condensed milk, and a little pinch of artificial harmony flavoring, vanilla, and a little piece of nutmeg, along with a little bit of oatmeal. This is the oatmeal that I have right now guys, so let's get right straight into it right now. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons or 2 teaspoons of rum and raisin ice cream. Afterwards now guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of the oatmeal. This is the oatmeal that I have, so I'm using what I have, so not much, probably about that amount. I'm just doing it as I go along. And I'm gonna use a little bit of vanilla, probably 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And with this guy, this is very strong, so you're gonna be really careful with this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just use a little pinch. Right, that's it, probably 2 drops. And now I'm gonna add cork full of Rainier overproof. That's it. And then next I'm gonna add rum cream. I'm gonna add not much, but that amount guys. Yeah, probably a cup full, depends on how you. And then I'm gonna add the bananas. Okay, so I'm adding the sweet condensed milk, maybe probably 2 teaspoons. A teaspoon condensed milk. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some ice also. Yes guys, I'm gonna add some ice, probably like, let's see, probably. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna take back the ice out. So before I even use the ice, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend this out because I want to blend the oatmeal out first. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend it first, then I add the ice. Guys, so what I'm gonna do, blend it first. Alright guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add ice. I'm gonna add probably, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ice cubes. That's it. And then I'm gonna blend it, and then that's it. Simple, easy to make. So it's all done guys, look at that. So here I'm gonna pour it. Very easy to make guys. Look at that, rich, looking lovely guys. As you can see, pretty much easy to make. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm gonna name it, but please remember to like, subscribe and share. Probably name it banana punch with oatmeal. I don't know, you tell me.